If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill death. That spirit of our heroes made India winner in Kargil War in 1999. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8th. Today on 26th of July, we are celebrating Kargil Vijay Divas in honor of the Kargil War heroes. Kargil Vijay Divas. On this victorious day, the whole nation stood up to celebrate the glorious victory of India over Pakistan during the Kargil War on July 26, 1999. People organized functions all over the country to commemorate the contributions of the armed forces. Indian soldiers recaptured the mountain heights that were occupied by the Pakistani army on 26th of July 1999. As we all know, that India and Pakistan have been concerned in a number of wars, conflicts, skirmishes, and cross border operations over the years. There are a number of accounts and theories that element the historical past of Kargil Vijay Divas. Dear friends, our brave soldiers fought against all odds and offered supreme sacrifices to uphold the honor, pride, and integrity of the nation. This war ended in 60 days and resulted in the successful occupations of Tiger Hill by our marvelous Indian Army. The Kargil Vijay Divas is noticed as a mark of honor to these courageous troopers who sacrificed their lives preventing for the nation. This day is noticed to remind our victory and to commemorate our soldiers who laid their lives for our better future. My dear friends, let us come together to celebrate this proud day. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.